Well, at the time, October, November, December, I was okay with it because, wala, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay? You know what? Parang like, kung wala siyang bigay, then no, don't let him see Lily. Simple as that. Don't beg. Don't ask for anything. But if he doesn't give, then no Lily. Diba? Parang, ano kasi naswerte? Tama lang naman. So there, when I told them January na, yun na yung rules ko. Kung hindi kayo magbigay, then walang Lily. So, yun, dumating yung credit card 2 weeks ago. Ay, buti ka pa. Ako never.